up, everybody? So I am currently just got out of work. I did just get another package in the mail, and it is another upgrade for my truck. I haven't released a video of me installing the Auxbeam panel, but I did install that, which it looks like right there. Currently all I have is just one thing wired up to it right now. Didn't put any stickers on these because I don't want to waste them, but I also installed, if you can see it, or I installed the mounts for it. These are the pod lights. I just got them in the mail, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing in my truck with you guys, and I'm going to try to install it before I have to go to work. So I got the Auxbeam XP Ultra 4.5 series. So these are 4.5 inches. So off the bat, we got another sticker. Looks like instructions on how to install it, which I'm definitely going to be using that, because I'm going to be trying to connect it to the Auxbeam panel itself. So these are the actual lights. They do feel heavy, good quality. These are spotlights. So I don't know what happened to the camera, it just stopped all of a sudden. I'm not going to take this clear film off until I'm done, but these actually pop off like so. It's only sticking because the actual film is sticking on the corners. There we go. So it's just a white spotlight, or you can have yellow or amber tint to it. And they just click back on just like that. So there's two of those obviously in the kit. It comes with the bolts and hardware to mount those. I assume these aren't the mounts that I installed do not go to this for, like, for example, for Auxbeam. I just bought a different brand, so I'm gonna have to try to see if I can get it to work. And here is the wiring harness for the pod lights. I don't think I'm going to be using any of this. For example, like, I'm going to use most of it except for the relays and the switch. I believe that's all can get taken off. I don't think anything else came in here, no. So it's just these two pod lights and this. So I'll get back to you guys once I have it installed, and I will walk you guys through it.